Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in a tiny home? Do you think you would have enough room for your shoe collection or feel as though you're living in a closet? On the other hand, would you enjoy the monthly low cost of living and have very little maintenance and/or housework? If so, stay tuned as we explore another tiny home rental in eastern Tennessee. And you'll want to watch to the end when I share an announcement to have your own tiny home here in this beautiful property in the future. Welcome to Rhinestones and Wrinkles, the ultimate destination for all things related to tiny home living. I have another super cute tiny home for you today that is ready to be rented in the beautiful hills of eastern Tennessee. The views are spectacular in this community. This tiny home is an 8x16 ESP, which stands for Engineered Steel Panels. The home was built by Incredible Tiny Homes in Newport, Tennessee. This particular unit was built from the old panels, which were door remnants, so you will see some screws and rivets on the walls inside and out, but that goes away once you paint it and put up your decor. You'll see as we go inside how beautiful and charming this little tiny house really is. Okay, y'all, here it is. It's got a cute twin bed that stays, of course. This unit is fairly furnished, you'll find, as we go through the inside. There is a storage locker. That's the gray metal storage locker that you can put anything you want in there, but there's actually a rail for you to hang clothes. As you can see, the living space is surrounded by the beautiful windows where you can look out at any time, and all you're going to see is green. You will also find that you have a neighbor next to you, and there's another house beyond that. So these three homes set up on the top of this hill and have this amazing view all around them. I have pulled up all the paper blinds in this space because I wanted to get all the light in, but there are brand new paper blinds with clips for these windows, so you can have some privacy if you so choose. And here's the metal storage locker that I spoke about. Lots of good room for hanging clothes or just anything you'd like to store away. The little white table stays for the TV, which also stays. As far as TV reception, I have spoke with some of the residents out here, and they've told me that they have purchased from Walmart and or Amazon those little antennas you put on your window, and they're able to get local stations. I also know if you would like to stream or use a hotspot or get phone reception, you will need to use AT&T out here. There is absolutely no Verizon coverage. The kitchen has a tiny little sink. The cutting board will fit over that sink so you can get even more counter space. There is a window at the kitchen with a light over that. Because this is an ESP, magnets, earth magnets in particular, will fit on the walls for shelving or pictures or draperies or whatever you want. This tiny home also has storage in the loft. Not meant for sleeping. It's probably, I don't know, 12, 15 inches high. There's also a 19-gallon water heater that is housed above. The refrigerator and the microwave are below that. A nice sized refrigerator actually has a freezer in the top. Plenty of room for one person. There is no door to the bathroom. However, there is a curtain that is hung up so you can have some privacy if you ever have guests over. Full-length mirror. The bathroom does house the in-window unit for air conditioning. The bathroom has a 36-inch shower. There is a flushing toilet with over-the-toilet storage. What more would you need if you're a single person? This is the perfect little tiny house. You can try it before you buy one, or rent this unit for while you're waiting for your home to be built or your lot to be ready. There is a $450 deposit. The monthly rent on this unit is $525, which includes $25 for the water, so you don't have a water bill. It's included in your rent. You also will have to pay for your own electric usage, which is very minimal. For such a tiny space, your heating and cooling are very low cost. You can definitely stay on budget with a home this tiny. If you are interested in renting this tiny house for $525, go ahead and reach out to the owner. Her email is tulasroost@gmail.com. I will also put her contact information in the description of the video, along with any of the other details about the home and what's included. Y'all, can you even stand how cute this little house is up on the hill? Go ahead and reach out to Miss Tula if you're interested in renting. And as far as the announcement I have for the end, as you see all the beautiful property around you, Miss Lola is the owner of this, and she's going to be developing several more lots, probably the end of summer. I'm going to actually do an in-depth video with Miss Lola, and she's going to explain how you can get on the waiting list to get to be a part of her beautiful little community.